Welcome back, beautiful family. Today, I want to share with you a very refreshing, creamy piña colada, copycat of La Michoacana, that I know you guys are going to love, and it's perfect for this hot weather. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. This refreshing, creamy, delicious piña colada water, these are the ingredients. I have pineapple, I have concentrate, flavor, color of pineapple, granulated sugar, condensed milk, evaporated milk, coconut cream, heavy whipping cream, water, and ice. This is everything we need to prepare this amazing and delicious copycat piña colada de la Michoacana. So let's get started. I want to start here first making my simple syrup. I have 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1 cup of water, and then let's take it to the stove. We're gonna cook it for about 5 to 10 minutes until the water is nice and clear. Once it's nice and clear, we're gonna turn off the stove and we're gonna let it rest until we use it. And here I have a big bowl where I'm gonna start adding all the milks one by one. I have the evaporated milk. I have here the coconut cream. The coconut cream really gives it an amazing flavor. Just get everything out. I have the condensed milk, and I'm using all the condensed milk. And of course, I'm not leaving anything behind. And now I'm adding my heavy whipping cream. I'm adding a little bit of the simple syrup. Remember that the simple syrup is to taste. So here I'm just going to whisk, incorporate all the milks completely, and now I'm ready to taste. It tastes amazing. I don't need to add any more of the simple syrup. And now I am ready to add the concentrate, color, flavor of the pineapple. I'm going to go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of the concentrate of pineapple. And now I'm ready to mix it in. Look at the color. It's a beautiful color, and the smell of pineapple is amazing. Now in my blender cup, I use this blender cup only for my lemonades. And now I am ready to start adding all my pineapple, 1 cup of regular milk, and then we are going to blend it completely, making sure that there is no lumps at all. And it really doesn't take too long. Okay, this is done. Now let's continue and let's start adding all this amazing flavor into the rest of the milks. I'm gonna go ahead, add it in here, and be whisking it at the same time. This agua fresca from La Michoacana comes out amazing. Look at the texture. It's nice and creamy, nice and thick. It's just amazing. I am sure you guys are really going to love it and enjoy it. Look at this. The color looks amazing. I have pineapple here. I'm gonna start slicing it cubing it in small little pieces. You decide how big or how small you want them. I'm just gonna go ahead and just slice them like that. And let me show you. Just like this. I'm gonna continue cutting the rest. So I'll see you in a bit. Okay, the pineapple is already nice and cut and cubed. I'm gonna reserve it. Look at this. Okay, now I'm ready to just add water to the mixture of the milks, and then this is completely done. Of course, I need to taste. It tastes amazing, and I have my jar here where I'm gonna add, of course, and be very generous, adding a lot of ice. I'm gonna add a lot of ice because here in California it is hot, and I really want to enjoy this agua fresca piña colada, copycat of La Michoacana, nice and cold, and drinking and really enjoy those flavors. The combination of the pineapple and the coconut cream, just amazing. Of course, you could make it at home. You could enjoy it with your family, and you know exactly how much sugar you added to this amazing agua fresca. My friends, I am completely done with this amazing piña colada, My friends, I am completely done with this amazing copycat piña colada from the Michoacana. This is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Let's see how it came out. Excuse me. The flavor of the pineapple and the combination of all the milks Just perfection made at home. Make it at home. Refresh yourself with Cooking with Gloria. I hope you give it a try. I know you guys are going to love it, especially in this hot weather. If you like and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make a delicious recipe like I did today, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Like, subscribe, and share. See you soon. Bye-bye.